I want to talk to you guys about how I grew broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage about a month early here in Utah in Zone 6B. So last year I had the opportunity to take the Master Gardener course, and one of my instructors told me that she could grow stuff in one part of her yard about a month earlier than everywhere else. And she called these microclimates. And she said, go home and look in your yard and see if you can find a microclimate in your yard. So I came home from that class. I knew exactly where my microclimate was. It's against my house, and this is facing south, so the sun always gets this area. And also there's big cement behind, and I think that cement warms up during the day and then heats the soil during the night. So it kind of stays a little bit warmer in this area. It also is protected by the house, so if there's big winds or storms, it kind of misses this area. So I decided I would experiment last year, and I planted things here a month early, probably at the beginning of March. And I was harvesting beautiful cauliflower, broccoli, and cabbages in May. Here's one of the cheddar cauliflowers that I grew in this area last May. Isn't she gorgeous? So in the next week or two, I'm going to be getting this area ready. I'm going to show it to you so you can see the whole thing. It's all along the house. All along the house. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting a bunch of my homemade compost all along this area, cleaning this out, and just mixing it all in and getting it all ready to plant. So stay tuned. Here in probably the beginning of March, I'm going to get these planted. I've got my broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage, kale, lettuce, all sorts of stuff growing inside, and it's going to be ready to put out here. Super excited. So look around your yard, see if you can find microclimate, so you can grow things maybe a little bit earlier than you normally can. Happy gardening!